Welcome to First Lady Computer Training College. Today, I'm going to show you how to merge certificate names in Microsoft Publisher using names from Excel. This is very useful when printing many certificates at once. So this is the certificate of appreciation. This certificate is awarded to, then here is where we will put the name. Then in recognition of variable contribution to First Ready Computer Training College. That's the certificate. Then the names we will use, they are in Excel. These are the names. In simple, we are doing mail merge in Publisher. We will come here in mailing, then mail merge, step-by-step wizard, and create or connect recipient list. Then it will take us here in documents. We have it names. We will say okay. And we have a list there showing our names. Okay. And we come to where we insert the merge field. So we only have one merge field by name. So we will put name there. After that, finish mail merge. We will merge to the new publication. And we already have 22 certificates. As you can see, the first certificate is for John Marsha Rogers. Then we have Eliud Sat. You will just save this file and you call it certificates. So you can put it in documents. If you are given a task to print, you will just command to the printer. Then all certificates will be printed from 1 to 22, each containing the name of the employee. If this video has helped you, like, share, and subscribe to First Ready Computer Training College for more computer practical lessons.